but dang, these feel pretty darn good. I would venture to say that this is a good trade-off between, like, you know, power and speed and performance and flight time. RC with Adam is brought to you in part by these super awesome people.
Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to RC with Adam. My name is Adam, and today we have some iFlight Nazgul 5140 tri-blade propellers that we're going to be testing out. So these are 5.1 inches in diameter and 4.0 inches in pitch, and they seem pretty stout, I would say, but we'll see how they fly. I just flew the Gemfan 5125s, and those things, and you can see that in the previous video, and those things are very floppy. So these things seem very strong compared to those, but let's fly it and try it out. Got the GoPro Hero 8 on here with a 1500 milliamp hour 4-cell battery on the normal budget basher setup, so 2400 kV motors. And also with the GoPro, we're doing super view and no stabilization, so that way you can hopefully see the propellers a little bit more and kind of see the effect of the propellers a little bit more. So it won't, you know, if you're using stabilization, you can get it to look nice and smoother, but for these purposes, we will just leave it as it is. So let's get flying.
Okay, first flight with the iFlight Nazgul 5140 propellers. See how she goes. And again, I have very little up tilt right now because what I've kind of been doing is like flying through the trees and not trying to go fast. And again, my perspective is I'm kind of looking more for something that is in a propeller. I mean, I'm looking for something that's a bit more flowy, a bit more not so much raw performance or speed. Looking for something that has a good feel, something that's nice and soft. Oh, I like these. Oh wow, huh? Very soft, actually. Not a lot of punch. You know, for the longest time, like for the past few years, I've been flying almost exclusively Dow T5043s, the Cyclones, and compared to these, those are actually a bit more punchy. But no, I kind of like these because they feel about as smooth and soft as the Gemfan 5125s that I was just flying. Which are like kind of like ridiculously kind of underbuilt for a 5-inch, I would say, even though they are 5-inch propellers, or for a freestyle 5-inch, let's say, or any non-ultralight 5-inch. Anywho, so those propellers are those seemed pretty good, and these ones seemed I mean, those have a really low pitch, and these ones have a bit of a higher pitch, definitely higher, almost twice the pitch, but they still feel really good. They have an interesting little swishy sound. I don't know if you can hear that. And I'm kind of going really slow through here because I can hardly see anything. It's really pretty darn terrible. Okay. And they seem way more durable. Like these propellers, I would bet that they are much more durable. Let's just fly out here a little bit because I'm feeling so good with these propellers. That sunlight might be too bright on the for the GoPro, but that's okay. We just gotta roll with what we got here. Okay, getting down in the 40s. That's not good. Let's bring her back a little bit. I think like 40 is as low as the RSSI goes, or possibly like 30 something. Alright, let's bring her back. Okay, I'm at a different spot. Let's go back over here. Let's go through here. It's easy to get lost in these woods, man, in the trees. It's like a whole It's a whole new world up there, man. A whole new world. There we are. I'm noticing it feels like a little bit more prop wash than the last one, just in like subtle changes, not dramatic movements. My battery is definitely getting depleted faster, I would say, because we've only been flying for about 3, maybe 4 minutes here, I think, and we're down to 3.5. I think the other one lasted a bit longer. It felt like, anyway. But yeah, just cruising around. We're just gonna kind of take it easy this first round here, just seeing what we see. Just having a good time flying around, you know. It's always a good time when you're flying around. Dang, man. I feel like I really like these propellers because, like I said, I like those gem fans that I was just testing, but they're just so delicate, I would say, and they really don't have much of a punch at all compared to, I mean, these ones have more punch, and these things seem more durable. So I feel like, aside from flight time, that is one big thing. Flight time. It seems like these would definitely be a winner. Oh, jeez. Oh, it says land now. I've actually never had it say that before. That's kind of scary. All right, let's do as it suggests, and let's land on this bucket. Coming into land. Come on now. No! Got to the side of the bucket. Okay, that was pretty good. I am pleasantly surprised. I want to fly another pack. Let's fly another pack. All right, second pack. Let's go. Whoa there. Again, a pretty low camera tilt, so some of these moves feel a bit different, but I'm going to do my best here to. Let's get a little bit more aggressive here. We'll do some tight turns. Ah. See, these batteries are just so weak and old and used that that they just pretty much anytime I punch it, they'll kind of sag out, and that's why the voltage drops so low, and I get that that message that says, "Hey, you have low voltage." But dang, these feel pretty darn good. I would venture to say that this is a good trade-off between, like, you know, power and speed and performance and flight time. Let's get up in the trees a little bit here. Oh, the light is so harsh right now. It's so hard to get up here. But we'll do our best. I mean, this camera is, well, anyway, I'm not going to complain about the camera anymore. I've talked about that. There we go, just flying through the trees, getting maybe some nice lines going. Maybe we'll kind of fly up here, just do a little circular upward flight. Looking pretty smooth in the... Oh, getting pushed a little bit there. Looking pretty smooth in the DVR. Looking pretty darn nice. I hope it looks nice in the GoPro, but I mean, it's got to look nicer than this, but hopefully it's well exposed for you folks to give you a tasty visual treat. Yeah. I like it pretty good. Very even sounding, very smooth sounding, I would say. Oh yeah. Let's get back in this tree a little bit. Which way are we gonna go? We're gonna go this way. Oh, branches, 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 branches. Oh, easy, easy, easy. There we go. Nice small movements. That was a close one, folks. It was a close one, mate. Whee, doggy. Tell you what, you can have a pretty exciting time flying really slowly through a tree. And we have these beautiful big branches. We have these beautiful big water oaks. Lovely. Let's just fly up here. Let's see if we can do this. Can we do this without dying? Let's just get above the trees a little bit. Oh, beautiful. Look at that. Look at that. That is lovely. That is lovely. Let's see if we can kind of come over here and like kind of... Well, let's just fly around here. Let's see what we got. And we're not really pointed towards... We're kind of behind ourselves, but can we come through here just nice and easy? Coming on down here. That's always the tricky thing, is coming down through things and not being able to see where the heck you are. Okay, I think I know where I am. Oh yeah, okay. Well, wasn't that a fun little exploration? Oh yeah, it's always so fun, and it's also kind of extra exciting when you can barely see anything. But it's a good time though. The chickens don't seem to mind me flying over them, I would say. So look at that. We had all that fun time, and we still have... we're still up to 3.5 volts. As long as we don't push it too much. I'm going, you know, when I'm going pretty fast here, I'm going maybe 30% or maybe up to 50% power. But... Whoa! I guess we're going to have to do some durability testing, I kind of feel like, but... I don't really want to. Maybe we don't need to, you know. Whoa. See, we got a creek down there, which makes things extra exciting. Alright, coming into land. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Precision landing. Precision landing. There's a little behind the scenes shot for you. Okay, come on. I'm doing it. I'm doing it. I'm doing it. Oh, yeah. Okay, boom. Okay, that was a fun time. I had a really fun time. I think I'm just going to say it. These are my new favorite propellers. So I'm going to fly these a lot. I guess I say that about like every propeller because, as I said before, I am not a propeller connoisseur. But there's something about those ones. I like them.
Well, there you have it, folks. There's some initial testing on the iFlight Nazgul 5140 propellers. Obviously, this is not a new prop, but it's new to me, and so I thought this just might be enjoyable for you and maybe worthwhile for some information purposes. So, thanks for joining me, everybody. I appreciate you. I appreciate your time, and I will see you again very soon.